Hello students, we are doing subject Environmental Studies Part 1, Lesson number 2, the interrelationships between living things. Welcome to Vidyabhushan English Primary School Standard 4th Online Studies. We'll continue the lesson, the interrelationships between living things. Plants give us food grains, vegetables and fruits. We love flowers too. We get flowers from plants. We can prepare many things from flowers. We also get cotton wool from plants to make cotton clothes. As we know, cotton clothes are made from cotton. We grow plants. We sow seeds. We make sure that they get water. We give manure to them. We spray pesticides if they are attacked by insects. Plants to satisfy our needs. Other living things also get their food from the environment. For example, chameleons, they eat insects when they are hungry. Some snakes eat mice and frogs. Tigers eat deer. Goats and sheep eat leaves of the plants. Cattle eat grass. Now we'll see the new term arboreal. This word comes from the Latin word arbor, which means trees. Arbor means living in trees. Animals like monkeys and squirrels live on trees. They eat the fruits of the trees to satisfy their hunger. Such animals are said to be arboreal because they live on trees. Animals also help to grow trees. Now, how animals help to grow trees? As animals move here and there, they spread the seeds of the fruit they have eaten. As they jump from one tree to another tree, whichever fruit they are eating, they throw down the seeds of the fruits. Because of these, new trees grow. So animals also help to grow trees. Birds build their nest on trees. In this way, trees are helpful for birds also. Children, you may have seen egret. This bird is called as egret. You have seen buffalo grazing in a grassy area. An egret likely to ride on its back. Now, why does it sit on buffalo's back? For what reason? Egret eats different kinds of insects. As we know, in grass, especially big tall grass, in grass many insects are there, but they are hidden in the grass. So the egret cannot see them and cannot catch them. As the buffalo eat grass and move forward and forward to eat grass, it frightens the insect and then the insects fly out from the grass. The egret sitting on the buffalo's back catch the insects quickly and eat them. For this purpose, egret is sitting on the back of the buffalo. Now we will see about 3 seasons, that is summer season, rainy season and winter season. It is very hot in summer. We wear cotton clothes. We drink plenty of water in the summer season. In winter, we wear woolen and other warm clothes to protect ourselves from cold. In rainy season, we use umbrellas. We like to wear raincoats, and hoods are used for while doing farm work to protect from rain, to protect from getting wet. So such type of hoods are used while doing agriculture work. Just as the three seasons affect us, they affect all the other living things too. Means they affect the three seasons, they affect on human being and they affects on plant and animals also. We'll see how they are. We see these changes taking place in the living world every year. Winter in Maharashtra is also called the season of Pangal, that is the falling of leaves. That is because many trees shed their leaves in winter. Now more changes we can see on animals also. The coats of many furry animals, the animals which have more hairs on their body, furry animals, become thicker in winter. This keeps them warm in cold season. Such growth of hair is seen in the animals like rabbit, goat and sheep. Mango trees start blossoming at the end of winter season. These blossoms are called mohar in Marathi. You may have felt it when the February month comes to an end. It becomes warmer by March. When March month comes, we begin to feel the heat. We feel hot. So it's time for summer season. Now changes of climate affects on many things. In this season, many trees get new leaves. If we go in areas where many trees are there, just like forest, we can see many trees with reddish and shiny leaves. Copper color, reddish leaves we can see, especially in the forest areas. While they are tender, means when they are small, we can see them in this color. As the leaves grow bigger, there is change in the color and leaves becomes green. We can also listen the call of koel in summer season. You may have listened how the cuckoo calls in summer season. In summer season, the market is full of, you can see cashew nuts also. The market is full of mangoes, watermelons in summer season. Now in summer season we get these fruits. Konkan region is famous for mangoes. We also get cashew nuts. As I have told you, we get cashew nuts also in this season. The red yellow cashew apples is grown on the cashew trees on the hillsides in the Konkan region. In June, as now June month is going on, you can see black clouds in the sky. Rainy season starts in this month. We get jackfruits, jamuns, java, plums and karvandas in this season. Small plants, grass starts growing as soon as rain begins. Everywhere we can see greenery. We like this greenery. We like rainy season because we get it after hot climate. We can see rainbow in rainy season. As we know, rainbow has 7 colors. When it becomes wet everywhere, we can see frogs also in rainy season. We also hear the loud noise of frogs croaking. After rainy season, we get winter season. We feel colder and colder in winter season. This is not good for the frogs. So they go deeper under the ground for a long period. and they stay there for 7 or 8 months and again come back in the rainy season. For food we depend on agriculture. In different seasons such as summer, winter and monsoon, different work is done in the field. In this way we have seen that climatic changes not only affects on human being but plants and animals too. Thank you.